The purpose of this script is to help you manage chronic pain through visualization techniques. By imagining a serene garden, you'll focus on the healing light that brings comfort and eases discomfort. Now let's get started through your healing journey. Imagine yourself in a tranquil garden. It's filled with vibrant flowers and lush greenery. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers. You can hear the gentle hum of bees and the song of birds. As you walk through the garden, you come across a beautiful, serene pond. The water is calm and clear. It reflects the sky and the surrounding trees. You find a comfortable bench by the pond and sit down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you exhale, imagine a warm, golden light spreading through your body, starting from the top of your head and slowly moving down. This light is filled with healing energy. As it moves through you, it eases any pain or discomfort you may be feeling. Focus on this healing light. Allow it to fill your body with warmth and comfort. With each breath, imagine the light growing stronger, soothing any areas of pain and bringing a sense of relief. Spend a few moments here, embracing the healing energy of this peaceful place. When you are ready, take a deep breath. Bring your awareness back to the present. Open your eyes and feel the warm sense of comfort and well-being. If you want to discover more ways to manage pain and enhance your well-being, just subscribe to Dear Doctor